Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your search bar is not working on Windows 11 as well as a calculated button not working as well. So let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type File Explorer. Just open it and you just need to select this PC and go to your local disk guys. You just need to Windows image, you need to click there here in disk. After that, go to Windows. In here you need to search for system32. For click anything here and type S in keyboard, system32, double click on it, and you need to search here for CTP mode guys. For that you need to search for it, click anything here and type C in keyboard, CTP mode, CTP mode, where are you? CTP MON, I found it guys. After locating this folder, you just need to right click on it. After that, click show more options. You just need to send to desktop guys, create a shortcut. After that, close out of here and follow me guys. Now you want to go to start and right click on it, and you just need to click on run. After that, in run folder you just need to type SHELL double dot icon and COMMON space STARTUP guys. You just need to search for it, SHELL double dot COMMON space STARTUP. You just click OK guys to open it. This will open the file folder format in File Explorer guys. You just need to do the thing CTFMON shortcut. You just need to drag this folder to in guys. In this startup, you just need to continue. After that, you just need to close out of here and go to search menu and type CMD. Click run as administrator, click yes. Now type command guys, sfc space slash scanmow. Press enter guys. sfc space slash scanmow. Being system scan, this process will take some time guys. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification need to get 100% guys. This 1% need to get 100%. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your PC guys. After that, you should good to go guys. Your problem will be resolved. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.